Hey everybody, it's me, Polygon Donut, and today, chicken. Chicken. Hello my cat friends. How are you guys today? Are you gonna make me some soup or something? Yeah, that'd be nice. Yay! Ooh! Ooh! Look at that! Ooh! Ah! He's dead! No, he's dead. He died. I'm just gonna awkwardly eat this in silence. What? Where am I? Oh, I see. I have plenty crystal to mine. Where am I? I'm just gonna keep drinking this juice through my throat. You know, because this is normal. I am on top of the whole map. Hi, bird. Stupid bird. You know what we're gonna do? Yeah! Got him. Got him. Ayy. Wait, what the? Did I just fly like through the walls of a cave? I am God. I am God. Oh, I have found the tracks. Let me analyze those. Hello, random bird. Got him. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. What's good? Yeah. Bonk. Oh. Oh, I broke his horns. Let's go. Oh yeah. Imagine charging at literally nothing. Stupid. Oh, she's digging. Whoa. Oh, no. No. Oh. Oh. That was weird. Ah. I'm so sweaty right now. I have gamer sweat. Oh. Flips. Yes. Oh no. Yes. You leaving? Okay. I'm just gonna sharpen my chicken bone. Oh yes. You are about to get bees out. Do zoppity bop bop bop. Ow. Yeet. Oh, prepare to be sent to the alarm dimension. Hello. I just wanted to tell you that. Oh wait, this is the area I could do the flip moves at. Yeet. Oh. What was going through my head when I did that move? Oh my, why is my cat just dancing over my dead body? Bruh, I'm trying to vibe here, stop. Snip, snippy snip. How did she not see me? Excuse me, did you order like some chicken? That joke would have been way funnier if that actually hit. Yeah! Oh! Perfect, let's go. Yes! Ah, you stupid idiot. Foolish mortal. Prepare to be bees out, do's up. I was gonna make a joke, but it didn't work. Yeah! Do all the flip move, that is the key. That's my mistake this whole time, was not doing enough flip moves. Let me just sharpen my chicken bone before I continue. Nice. How did that hit me? Time left 10 minutes on the quest. Oh, because I forgot this is the investigation has a limited time limit. I might not make it in time. Oh, that was not a good. Oh. I'm probably going to fail this quest because I don't have enough time to kill her. Come on. No. Bonk into the wall, yes. Okay, we can do this, Get the damage in. Yes, okay, here we go. Oh, we're getting so much damage in. 5 minutes. We can do this. Oh my god, my mantle's out. No. Yes! I actually thought I was gonna fail the quest. I will now pose in front of your dead body. Cat, play the bongo. Play the bongo on. Yeah, do it. Yeah, let's go. Woo. Alright, now we will be using this weird plushy hammer. It's like a bird. There's also another teddy bear connected to it. That's nice. Wee. What the? No, it's all wet now. Ew. This looks really dumb. So, how are you doing? You come here often? Okay, good talk. Goodbye. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Look at him. Oh, that was so epic. Can I, like, have your autograph, please? No, no. Tempered Fulgur Angina. Whoa. 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 How does he do it? How does he do it? Sorry. Whee. Make sure to drink all the juice. Look at this hammer right here. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. There's too much power being contained within it. Oh, funny pine cone. Don't mind if I do. Oh, it's a nice, beautiful sunset. Oh, there are just actual gremlins. I'm just gonna... Yeah! Whoa! Whoa. Oh yes, this is a very nice looking cave. Yeah. Ah! Oh, and I don't need to fight you. Hi. It didn't even care. Okay. Ew. Ew. What is this? Hi, frog. Ha 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 ha. No! The cat is dead. There he is. Ah. Bonk. Yeet. Oh. Oh. No. What the? What was that? Yes. Ah. Oh, we're destroying him right now, bro. He stands no chance against the funny plushie on a stick. Oh, there's some sparks still. Oh! He's whimpering like a dog. What? What the? What was that? What? What is he doing? Ah! Ah! What is he doing? Oh! Part of the map just fell. What? Whoa! Whoa! Ow! I can't. I don't like this. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! Yes! What? What the? What the? Oh! I canceled his attack. Bro, why is his mouth so blue? Has he been eating like blue raspberry slushies a lot or something? Why does he keep sneezing? Like he's just sneezing pure electrical energy. Oh my god. Flip moves. Yeah. No. Yeah. Got him. Oh, this literal pillow on a stick is so powerful. Alright, hold on 1 second. Yeah, Fulgur Angina, I kind of just need to chill out here, you know. Ah! Bro, his tongue is so blue. He ate way too many blue raspberry slushies. Ah. Okay, I don't know, my hammer's all wet. Ew. Oh, hello. How are you guys? Wee. Wait, where did you guys go? Oh, where is he going? Where is he going? What's his destination, bro? Oh! Oh, sorry, I'll get out of your way. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. No! Oh, he's back? Yeah. Well, no. Mama, why are you dancing? What are you doing? What? Ah. Oh, hi doggy. Bye. Hello. I'm gonna bonk him. Yeet. Oh. Oh, he sneezed. Ew, that's so gross. Ah. Oh. What are they doing? Hello. Oh, he's dead now. Okay. Well then. Ah. Now it is time to cook the fish. Look at it. No. No. It's shaking his head in pain. Oh my god. No. I just have actual fish. That is what we were doing. I just have fish. Hello, monkey. Ah! Oh my gosh, no, my helmet is all wet. Ugh. Oh no, my clothes are wet too. The fish. Oh wait, you guys haven't seen my room yet. Hold on. So as you can see, this is my room. It's pretty Alright, so don't mind all of these. Yes, we have a nice cake, plushie shelf. Very nice. Hold on, I need to feed them. Innocent souls. Look at them. They are feasting on the flesh of my enemies. Whoa. Whoa. Also, we have some monkey over here. Excuse me, monkey. Oh, I forgot to feed these ones too. Here we go. Oh, look at them zoom. Oh my god, they're zooming. Temper Nargacuga time. And we will literally be fighting him with actual fish. Alright, I am ready. I got my cat helmet on, my winter coat on, and the 2 fishies that I stole from the chef. If that dude finds out, he's gonna be like so mad at me. Like he's probably gonna like cook me or something. That would be pretty lit though. Don't laugh at that joke. It was not funny. I've made a severe and continuous lapse in my judgment. That was not a funny joke. Do not laugh. I repeat, do not laugh. Bruh, I forgot to turn those mod off. Bruh. Oh my gosh. There he is. Get him with the fish. Whoa. 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 I didn't know such an immense amount of power would be contained within these 2 fishies. What has the chef been feeding us this whole time? Ah, what is that? Ew, ew. Whoa. 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 I can't even see what's happening. Yes! Oh, the tree fell down. Oh, yes. Ow, no. The pain. Oh, he's made a mistake. No, no, it didn't work. Ow. Oh, oh no, my cat helmet is wet. Oh, ew, ew. Why is he back? No. No, all 3 of them are here. What? Why is he still here? He's sleeping. The weird bat thing put him to sleep. Let's go. Oh. No. No. Oh, he be spinning though. He really do be spinning though. Ah, yes. That move is so fun to do. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa. How did I dodge both of those? Stop running away. You coward. Are you afraid of a man with a cat helmet wielding 2 fish? Imagine being that pathetic. I can't get through to the other side. His tail is blocking it. No. Ow. 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 Oh my god. I'm gonna die. He's dead. See this dead Nargacuga right here? I literally whacked him with the fish so many times to the point where he literally died. Let that sink in for a moment. Don't you ever underestimate the power of fish. I am Naruto running with my fish. Alright, so I'm just gonna do like one more hunt for this video, so what the? Wait, what's that music? What? How? It's the God Pickle. What is it doing? No. It's too powerful. I must defeat it. Oh my god! No! I've angered the God Pickle. I didn't mean to anger it. All of humanity is doomed now. What have I done?